Hello and welcome to 727 Marshall, here in the heart of Webster Groves. This home was built in 1900 and has all of the you'd expect of a farm home, but we are located only steps from shops, restaurants, etc. here. And we are on a third of an acre lot, which is unheard of in a location like this. As you can see, have a newer concrete porch here. Home is brick. And as we adjourn inside, lovely air conditioning. It's not so hot today, but that humidity can be a nightmare. We have the living room. Octagonal window there, which is quite neat. And of course, an original transom. Do have oak floors. It's a nice dark stain to them. Not sure if these are original but they are the narrower pattern. They're the narrower pattern that's sanded and then stained, not the pre-stained type that can be purchased. We have here the powder room. Quite nice metallic paint that was used here. Then coming through into the kitchen and dining. Dining room on this side. Large windows everywhere. There's so much light in here. And this half of the house is open plan. And keep watching this video as we go through. There is a hidden secret at the end, which is quite cool. I was surprised to see it myself. Looking over at the kitchen, floor to ceiling cabinets, lighted china cupboards at the top, quartz worktops, oversized breakfast bar, built-in microwave, subway tile backsplash. And then let me just take us outside for a second here. Because when you see that we're so close to everything, it's hard to get the scope of what we also have. And how much yard there is here for this central of a location. Quite quiet back here. We do have an oversized garage workshop as well. You're about 2,400 square feet, and that's over 3 floors plus the basement. So coming up the stairs, first we have the primary bedroom. Which is a nice size. Trough ceiling. Plank flooring up here. And then here in the owner's bedroom, we have a closet with the in-unit laundry, or in-bedroom laundry, I guess you'd say. Large double head shower. And vanity. Bedroom 2. Manages to have a lot of natural light, yet still have shade from the trees. And bedroom 3. Then we have the primary bathroom here. Toilet. Vanity. And bathtub. Nice tile. And then coming upstairs, we have a 3rd floor. And this is a little bit more flexible space here. Because on this side we have what is bedroom 4, which has this large recessed storage area here. And that probably would be a good headboard, I presume. That looks about the size of a bed, so you could have that right above your head and use that as your headboard. Tongue and groove really lightens up the room here. Barn door through to the Jack and Jill bathroom. And in here, have a walk-in shower, or well, oversized shower, I guess you'd say. And vessel sink and toilet. And then this connects through to the other room. And again, this could be anything. It could be another bedroom. Has another one of those built-in units that could be for a headboard. Or could be a family room. You can see out here too. We're quite high up as well, the treetop level. And then as we descend, neat little plastic archway there, or plaster archway, not plastic, plaster. That's what I was looking for. Coming back down to the ground floor, we're going to find the secret of this house. So down to the basement, and the basement is just generally basementy. Nice, clean, old house basement. Except through here, under the porch, we have a secret speakeasy or wine cellar, tasting room, which is really cool. And a great use of the space. And one of the nice things about this having a newly poured porch up top, because it looks like it's a dry space. A lot of times the original concrete lets water through and you wouldn't be able to use it like that. Thank you very much for viewing. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please remember to like and subscribe. And as always, let us know if you have any questions or if there's any other types of homes you'd be interested in seeing. Thank you.